Hey everyone. Welcome back to Boneless Barbecue and Southern Cooking. Today we're going to do a good Southern recipe. I was trying to figure out what to do this morning, and my middle daughter Jasmine, she said, I want chicken and dumplings. So we're going to make some chicken and dumplings. So we got 2 cans of cream of chicken, some chicken broth, some pepper, and I like to see salt instead of the little stuff. We can cut up a stalk of celery also to put in it. But let me go get the chicken ready and we'll get it cutting up and be ready to go. Alright everybody, here we go. Got my boneless chicken breast here. And my wife bought me this today. It's a Chicago cutlery knife. As an early Valentine's present. Let's see how this thing will cut some chicken up. Oh my goodness. Oh, she did good, man. Look at that. A lot of people just do the whole chicken, throw it in there and bread it up later, or tear it apart later, but no. I'll go ahead and just cut them into chunks. Pretty big chunks. Trying to make it like my grandma Mom used to do. Oh man. This is something nice. Oh, she did good for Valentine's. I tell you. Mama Kelly knows how to give me something good. Doing a lot of chicken because, of course, my daughter Jasmine, her boyfriend's supposed to be here tonight, but we saw what happened tonight. I did steaks. He's not here tonight. Yeah, I might have to kick his ass because I don't like wasting food. My wife yells at me. I didn't waste no food on steak night because I eat his steak. I know I'm scrawny and skinny, but yeah, I can eat when it comes to eat. Alright, we got the chicken in here. We'll be back in a minute. We'll finish the rest of the ingredients, folks. Alright, everybody. Here we're back. Got my chicken in the pot. Of course, the main cooker's over there. I'm just doing the pot right here. I'm going to go ahead and do our cream of chicken. We're going to put 1 can of that in here already. Ooh. Give me a second. I need a spoon. Don't need much of a spoon, but need a little bit of a spoon here. Thanks for holding on there. That one done. Now I'm going to do the whole 32 ounces of chicken broth. Cook that up good. Alright. Chicken broth done. Oh, hold on. I'm going to go ahead and add, I like to use this sea salt. You want some salt, you want to get it salted quick without using too much. There you go. Sea salt good and big. Got a little pepper. Pepper in there. Now we'll add the other can of cream of chicken. Alright, here we go. I'll put that aside real quick. Let that go. And oh man, this knife my wife bought me here, this Chicago cutlery. The way the thing cooked the chicken. Now she bought me this one about probably 12 years ago. This is what I used to fillet some fish with. After 12 years, this cut go on. It's still good, but she ain't sharp. as she should be. She ain't nowhere near this thing. Oh man, this is good. We're just gonna cut some of this off. Let's see, we use about that much. Okay. Well, we'll get that all done. We're going to go over and put it actually in the crock pot itself, heater. We're going to turn it on high. We're going to let it cook for probably 3 to 4 hours. This new crock pot, it heats up pretty quick, so it might only be about 3 hours. So, we'll be back here in a little bit. Alright everybody, got her over here, so everything's mixed up. Now I'm just going to set this new crock pot to high. We can let it cook for probably 2 to 3 hours. Once it's looking good, then we're going to come and put the biscuits in it and be ready to eat some good chicken and dumplings tonight. See y'all folks in a few hours. Okay, everybody, we've had it cooked for about an hour and a half. Ooh, look at the steam. Looking good. Oh, it's all, oh man, and that smell. Oh, that's some chicken and dumpling smell there. Alright, we got about another hour. About another hour, hour and a half, we'll be throwing the biscuits in there and getting some dumplings going. Alright everybody, welcome back. We've had the chicken, everything in the slow cooker here for about 3.5 hours. Now we're going to do the biscuits. So, move that bug.
I don't know what flour feels like.
I guess I'm just going to...
Daddy, I don't know what flour feels like.
You can feel in a second.
I'm going to spread some flour out here.
Let me feel it. I want to know what it feels like.
Well, feel it.
Feels good.
Feels like a diaper powder. So it doesn't stick.
It really doesn't.
Okay, I'm going to help yourself for me. Okay, let me see your roller.
Put that on that powder, flour.
Alright, hold your roller on the end. Okay. So Mama Kelly, she's trying to help me.
That is cool. Feels cool.
Alright, get my good knife here, Mama.
You want to use the food?
Yeah, I'll try to cook you, Go ahead. Roll it out. I'll use this, I forgot about it.
Put some flour on it.
Hold on, let's put some more flour on it.
Put that on the biscuit.
Okay, roll it out some more.
You gotta get
Sit
missiles
up in the chair some so you can put some pressure down on it. You gotta squish it hard.
Get some missiles in it.
Sit up some, bud. Look, sit up on your knees. You gotta squish it out big, like that.
I did.
Oh, we need a bowl to put these in. Okay, we'll set that right there. You want to try to cut them up?
With our paper chef.
You put one in the middle, one here, and then go through the other middle. Okay, now go that way. You got it? Let's see, they cut. Oh, you can get it quite hard now.
Oh, I get it. I can do it. Now.
You gotta press it hard. Get up on your knees, Buggy, so you can put some pressure down. I've been telling you that for a little while. There you go. Go back over the same lines you already got. Push it down hard. There you go. Okay, now in the middle of that one. There you go. Now do the middle of that one. Push it hard. There you go. Get that one.
And our pizza cutter is a Pamper Chef pizza cutter.
Alright. Cut that one in half. Alright.
Flour feels kind of good.
We keep it sitting in some more flour. We'll take this.
Lunch monkey, pour it like this. Your fat hand.
Where you
on
got
it,
it, Mama?
and it goes right smooth through.
Yeah. I put some flour on each side of it. Here. Ta-da! We're done, folks.
And now we have
Set
to
up through that. Now we're gonna go take it over here and we're gonna
clean.
throw it in the slow cooker. Let it cook for a little bit. See you in just a little bit. Hey everybody, we're back. Now to put the dumplings in, we just cut up. We're just gonna plop them in. We're gonna let these cook for about another, Ellie, you can't do this boogie, it's hot. 30, 45 minutes, maybe an hour, till it's all done. Try to separate them when you put them in so they don't stick together. Yeah, we got extra people here for dinner tonight, so we're doing a bunch extra. We'll see if we can explode the Crock-Pot. Did we make it explode over? Nah, I'm gonna do that, but there we go. It's the last of them. I got a few more, but they're gonna swell up big. I don't want to blow my wife's Crock-Pot up. She'll yell at me. We're gonna get these all dumped down in there. I'm gonna let them start cooking. And then we'll be eating dinner here in just a little while, folks. See you in a few minutes. Hey, everybody. She done cooking? Oh, man, it's looking good. I think this is like my grandma's, maybe my mama's, but I think it's more like my grandma's. It's tasting good. Ooh, look at there.